Welcome to easyayurveda.com. Today we are preparing a simple home remedy to relieve hiccups and chronic respiratory conditions such as bronchitis and asthma. For that purpose, we are taking dry powder of pippali or long pepper, dry powder of amla fruit, dry powder of ginger. Along with that, we are also taking sugar and honey. First, we will prepare a mixture out of this long pepper, amla and ginger. For that, we are taking half a spoon of each of these and we are making a mixture of it. So 1 gram of this powder mixture of pippali, amla and ginger along with 1 spoon of amla and a little bit of sugar is advised to take for 4 to 6 times in a day repeatedly to relieve hiccup and asthma. This is a traditional Ayurvedic home remedy told for the said conditions. For more such home remedies, please visit easyayurveda.com.